Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm here in Willow at my Willow property, and I got a question for everyone. If you did a build and bought some raw land, how much was it to get electric to your property? I went on the local electric company's website and they have a cost estimator, and after looking into it a little bit, right down there is the closest telephone pole, and luckily it does have a transformer on it. So I estimated using a mapping app that it's going to be about 300 feet to the corner of my property right over here. And I put in 300 feet. Luckily that was the magic number in the estimating app. So 300 feet to get electric to the property using the estimator function on their website. It comes out to be about $8,900. At 301 feet, it comes out to be 18,000 and some dollars, because over 300 feet they say I need a transformer. So let me know how much it costs you to get electric onto your property. Fortunately, a couple weeks ago I came out with my buddy and we brought a big tape measure out and we measured it off using the tape measure, and it's coming out to be approximately 272 feet. So that brings it to, the estimator says it'll be about $8,200. However, if I have a permanent structure on the property, which I don't, or if I have a well and septic on the property, I can knock $1,000 off that price. So it'll bring it down to about $7,200 to get electric 272 feet away onto the property. So let's go for a little walk back here and see what's going on back here. Isn't this just beautiful back here? Okay, I got another question for everyone. If you had a well put in, how deep was the well and how much did it cost? I've asked a couple neighbors in the general area. The one neighbor said his well was 47 feet deep. Another neighbor said theirs was, I think, 75 feet, they said. So I'm looking at somewhere under 100 feet for a well. It's a little chilly out today. It is about 11:30 on December 3rd, and the temperature is negative 15 degrees out here. So a little bit chilly. So I'm planning on doing a special type of build for the property when I do build, and I'll get into those details at a later date. In the wintertime, that's all the higher the sun gets here in Willow. Like I said, it's about 11:30, so it's midday. That's all the higher the sun's gonna be. When my friend and I were out measuring, I brought out a 300-foot tape measure, and we measured it from the road out there to right here is 300 feet, and I want to actually build right over in that area somewhere. So I'm going to need somewhere around 350 to 400 feet of primary electric line buried coming to the cabin, or coming to my future home and garage. And I'm thinking of drilling the well somewhere down in here. Because this is going to be my driveway that I've been walking on. Maybe putting the well right over in here or something like that, because the septic is going to go on the far side of the house. Man, isn't this just beautiful out here? Look at how beautiful it is. And I want the front of my house to be facing all this amazing beauty. Well, thank you everyone. And I'm gonna head back, get in the truck, get warmed up, and head on up to my cabin for the weekend. So I'll bring you along for that in a different video. Thanks everyone.